In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Monopoly Go reward codes. This simple process will ensure you get the most out of your Monopoly Go experience by accessing exclusive rewards effortlessly. First, you'll want to head over to the Monopoly Go website. You can do this easily by opening your preferred internet browser on your device and typing in the Monopoly Go web address, or simply searching for Monopoly Go in your search engine. Once there, you'll see an inviting homepage that lets you start playing right away. Before you start exploring, let's make sure you're signed in. The next step is to sign in with your Facebook account. This method is quite convenient because it eliminates the need to remember another password. Plus, it seamlessly connects with your existing Facebook profile. Look for the Sign In with Facebook button on the website. Click on it and follow the prompts to grant Monopoly Go access to your account. Rest assured, it's a secure process designed to protect your information. Once you're successfully logged in, you will want to proceed to the Monopoly Go homepage. This is the central hub of your Monopoly Go activities, where you can manage your gameplay, check updates, and more. Navigate your way here, either from the main menu or through a direct link on the site, and explore the features available to enhance your fun. When you're set to redeem those exciting reward codes, you'll need to go to the main Monopoly Go page. This is again accessible via the main menu or any associated links on the site. It's crucial to be here as the reward codes are partly tied to the main functionalities of Monopoly Go and the latest updates. Now, look for the Reward Codes section. This feature is prominently placed to make your redemption process seamless. Click on Reward Codes, which will take you to the page dedicated to unlocking these special benefits. This page is typically straightforward, guiding you through entering and redeeming reward codes effortlessly. Finally, you're on the last step, where you'll see an option to claim your reward. Click on this option, and a prompt will likely guide you to input the reward code you've received. Double-check that you've entered the code correctly to avoid any errors during the claim process. If done correctly, this action will unlock exciting bonuses, enhancing your Monopoly Go experience even more. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to redeeming reward codes in Monopoly Go. By following these clear steps, you can enjoy the full benefits of your gaming adventure without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and may luck be with you on your Monopoly Go journey.